In today's video, viewers will learn how to transform a basic, builder-grade door into a high-end statement piece using simple trim and molding. It's a low-cost, high-impact DIY project that makes a huge visual difference. The first step is choosing a trim style. Whether it's modern and minimal, farmhouse-inspired, or something traditional, the look sets the tone. Next, it's time to measure the door and sketch the design. Most layouts use vertical side pieces and top and bottom rails spaced evenly. Taping out the pattern ahead of time helps visualize the final look and avoid mistakes during installation. Once the layout is set, the trim is cut to size. A miter saw or miter box makes it easy to create precise 45-degree angles for a picture frame style. For a more modern or industrial look, straight cuts work just as well. Each piece is attached with wood glue and secured using a brad nailer or finishing nails. A level ensures perfect alignment. For those without a nail gun, a simple hammer and finishing nails will also work, just take care to avoid splitting the trim. After installation, the trim is finished with wood filler over nail holes, and caulk is applied along the edges for a seamless look. Once dry, light sanding preps the surface for paint. For best results, especially when using MDF, apply a coat of primer before painting. 2 coats of paint in a satin or semi-gloss finish complete the transformation. Matching the trim and door color creates a cohesive, clean look, while contrasting colors can make the trim pop. The result is a door that looks custom and high-end, at a fraction of the cost of replacing it. Whether it's a bedroom, hallway, or entryway, this DIY trim upgrade is an easy win for any space. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and explore the channel for more affordable, high-impact home upgrades.